This is the retractable hub docking station for the Tesla Model Y and Model 3. The company sent this to me so I could check it out. I've been using it for a few days and it's really cool. It's a very easy install. Basically, it's just gonna sit right in here. Just turn it sideways here. You can see it just has these clips that just go in right in here. So it just fits seamlessly in here. You can see it closes really nice and easy. If you close the cup holders here, it just looks like it's basically made right from the factory. And this is powered up. It has the adapter in here. You can see it's got a nice sized cord right here. It just fits the in-car adapter in there. Just plugs in really nice and easy. And then you can see once you have your tray right here, it just closes up easy. But I'm very happy with it. It's just got the power on and off right here. It's got the USB-C. It's got the lightning here. These are both retractable. You can see it just comes in and out. And again, very happy with this. Just a really nice item. You can see it goes all the way in and then all the way out. And then see, it goes back into place here. And then you got the 2.4 amp. And then you got the two USB-Cs, the 3A right here. So again, very happy with this. It looks like, again, very seamless installation right here. It has the it's the matching colors right here. This is the box that it comes in. Really nice packaging. It's packaged up really nice, and again, really nice product. If you're looking to get some extra power sources in your Tesla, definitely check this out. And again, this is for the new Model Y and the Model 3.